remember? We have done one yoga class and there we learned Surya Namaskaram, lotus pose and butterfly pose. Do you remember that? Are you practicing at home? So, I told you, you should do yoga every day in the morning, right? Now, today I have come with 2 more yogas, right? Now, today we will learn new yogas, 2 new yogas, okay? But before learning new yogas, we will do once our previous yogas. Means, kids, stand straight, keep your arms straight. Now, what you have to do? Come to Namaskaram position. Namaskaram position. Then rotate your palms. Take it up. Which asana is this? This is a Hasta Uttasana. Then slowly go back. Then touch your feet. Pada Hastasana. Don't bend your knees. Don't bend your knees. Pada Hastasana. Touch your feet. Now, with right leg we'll do Dakshin Asvasanchalasana. Right knee should be this side and your left leg should be straight. Okay, knees should be straight. And keep your fingers like this. Stretch your back. Back should be straight. And chin should be up. Dakshin Asvasanchalasana. Now, take this right knee back side, lay down with the help of your stomach. Now slowly take it up, chin should be up. This is called Bhujangasana. Keep taking breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Bhujangasana. Now slowly do it. This is called Parvatasana. Parvatasana. Now we'll go reverse. Again lay down. Bhujangasana. Now we have done with our right knee Dakshinasva Sanchalasana. Now we'll do Vamasva Sanchalasana with left knee. Your right leg should be straight and left knee should be straight. Keep your fingers like this and keep your chin up. This is called Bam Ashwa Sanchalasana. Now take it back. Again Bhujangasana. Parvatasana. Now touch your feet. Pada Hastasana. Don't bend your knees. Pada Hastasana. Now slowly take it up. Hasta Uttasana. Now come to Namaskaram position. This is a Surya Namaskaram. So, what are the benefits of Surya Namaskaram? Benefits are, if you do this Surya Namaskaram every day, your whole it will help to your whole body. Your blood circulation will be fine, your heart will be strong, your skin will be glowing, okay? Your digestive system will be fine. So do every day this Surya Namaskaram. So now we will do 2 new asanas. Okay. What are the new asanas? One is, now kids, we'll do one new asana that is called Tadasana or mountain pose. Tadasana or mountain pose. Now stand straight. Keep your arms straight. Okay. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, slowly take your hands up. hands up. Now slowly stand with the help of your toes. Your heels should be up. Straight. How much you can stretch your hands, you can stretch your back, you can stretch your legs, knees, that much you can stretch. This is called Tadasana or mountain pose. Tadasana or mountain pose. Okay, see, and how much I am stretching my hands and legs and back. How much you can stretch, that much you can stretch. Okay, and breathe in, breathe out. This is called Tadasana, and if you can't stand like this, for beginners you can stand, simply you can stand. Okay, and keep your hands up, stretch your hands. Okay, then after 5 or 6 days you can start standing with the help of your toes, like this. First few days you can stand, then slowly start standing like this. This is called Tadasana. Keep your hands down. So Tadasana will help us to increase our body. Okay, and this Tadasana, if we practice regular, our thighs, our knees, our ankle will be stronger, right? And it will help to keep our body posture properly. Okay, now we'll do next asana, that is called. Now we'll do Vrikshasana. Vrikshasana or bricks means tree. Vrikshasana means tree pose. Okay, now stand straight. Take your one leg, right leg, and keep your leg here. Okay, not down, not here, not like this. Your kick should be on the left thighs. Okay, this is called Vrikshasana. Now slowly keep your hands up and join your hands. Now breathe in, breathe out. This is called Vrikshasana or tree pose. Okay, with the right leg we are doing. Now slowly keep it down. Now we'll do with left leg. Slowly take it up. Stand straight. Breathe in, breathe out. So this is called Vrikshasana or tree pose. Now tree pose, it improves our balance. Okay, on the legs. If we will do these asanas, we can get more balance on our legs. Means you are small kids, right? So sometimes you can fall down, you can't stand. Okay, so if you do this asana, you can stand properly. Wherever you are walking, if you are walking or if you are running, your balance will be good. And this Vrikshasana help, it improves our confidence. Means yes, I can stand, I can walk properly, I can run properly, right? So it will increase our confidence also, right? So we have done two asanas. One is Tadasana or mountain pose, and another one is Vrikshasana or tree pose. Now sit down. Everyone sit down. Sit straight. We will do our previous asana. Two previous asana we learned, right? That is, one is butterfly asana and one is lotus asana. Okay. So first we will do butterfly asana. Stretch your leg. Okay. Take your leg here. And one more leg should be here. Now hold your legs, hold your feet tightly. Now start flapping your wings slowly. So if you do this asana, your back bone, your thighs, Okay, everything will be more flexible. Your backbone will be strong. Your thighs, knees will be more flexible. Now start flapping your wings. This is called which asanas? Butterfly asanas. Okay, butterfly asanas. Now wiggle butterflies antennas. These are butterflies antennas. Wiggle antennas. Okay. One clockwise, one time anti-clockwise, again clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay, and keep flapping your wings. So this is called butterfly asanas. Which asanas? Butterfly asanas. Now next we'll do Padmasana or lotus pose. So sit like this. So kids, when we are doing meditation or if we are trying to keep focus on something, so we can sit like this, means in a lotus pose. Now keep your hands like this straight. Now close your eyes and breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Keep taking your breath, okay? And sit for some time quietly. Close your eyes. So lotus pose will increase your concentration. It will keep your backbone straight and strong, and it will increase your digestive system nicely. Okay, so we have done 4 asanas today. Means Surya Namaskar daily we have to do more 4 asanas. What are the asanas? Tadasana or mountain pose, Vrikshasana or tree pose, butterfly pose, and Padmasana or lotus pose. So keep practicing at your home. Daily you practice these asanas, and today we are ending our class. Okay, next day I'll get 2 more new asanas. So keep practicing. Okay, keep healthy. Bye.